Pajamas? What pajamas you mean? I was waiting for your live. Oh, yeah. Always go live every night because my channel is back monetized. So guys, please respect. I join night back for you here. Yeah, right back. Can you buy super sticks or sticker for me here on live just for welcome? Welcome back, Naomi. I want. Hmm? Glad your membership. Yeah, it's all open, and also my super chat and super thanks are now available. You can buy stickers on my. I'm glad I'm back. Yes, I'll. You can join if you are my avid viewers and my super supportive. And please subscribe and join my membership. That's a big help for me as a single mom. Are you working in the morning? No, I don't have. Yeah, thank you, Joey. I'm happy for the $5. Thank you for the welcome. This guy is like Joey. First you have to wear tightly fitted dress for me. I'll super chat girl. Why you request? Super tight. I don't have super tight. I have. Wait, I will find my addiction. I think you're not, because I'm saying that Joey, maybe he is busy at work. That's why he's not here on my life. I was monetized back on June 25. June 25. I apply on June 24. It's 90 days. Oh no. It's really far. I cannot tell you everything here because I cannot. What? You go live when I am at work. That's why. Where's Joey? I think Joey has another idolize. You go to another channel somewhere. Thank you, Joey, for the member. Guys, please also like Joey. Support. $5 welcome to my live. Hey, Joey. First time I saw you in my Bigo live. You're so handsome pala. Handsome man and big live. I saw you when you called me there. I'm very happy that you follow me too. In my Bigo. I'm texting a place where sun won't shine. Who? I'm gonna text hello to my 59. Yes, thank you. Okay, honestly, you're so handsome. I like your face. I like your nose. I like your eyes. Also, hi Eric. Hello. Hello. Read my previous comment. What about your previous comment? Wearing fit dress. Thank you, Naomi. Yeah, it's true. It's very true. How about the other? Please join my membership. Nice and fresh looking. Yeah. Can you stand up, please? If I can stand up, you can buy stickers. Joey is not requesting me, but he said he buys super stickers. Not after that one. After that one, I tell everything. Shake your back. Request. Um. Hello. Oh, shake your shake back. Just like that. Just shake back. And shake your back. Was like, you have to careful here. Yeah, very careful because the next time maybe terminate. No, I hate. I'm just talking here.